On June 7, 1990, the Backrooms Research Institute has contacted a large number of construction companies for a complete overhaul of the KV-44 threshold, which is expected to be confirmed by their plans. This overhaul has changed the panels for extra protection, wired 50 extra RF cavities to the threshold, larger and heavy protection panels onto the top and bottom sections of the threshold, a revamped threshold barrier system, etc. This overhaul, which was introduced to the public, has been an entirely complex process of the most overhauled systems within the United Kingdom. The initial request from Jacob Beck, former president of the Backrooms Research Institute, is for the United Kingdom government and Department of Energy to lend the Backrooms Research $500 billion in order to improvise and further their research and operations. However, this request was a massive importance and improvisation. The first model of the Project KV-44 meant to provide that was tested the threshold in late 1980. The first experimental test was a failure at the start. After 12 attempts, the Project KV-44 was finally successful on the sixth threshold model. The Outpost was the new and exclusive way to expand the office space. The construction took us 10 days to complete, and the building manufacturer was made by Hurlson Builders.